The power button on your JVC TV is often located along the bottom edge of the TV. Look for a round button with a smaller circle in the center. Another common location is on the back panel of the TV, usually on the right side when facing the TV. You might see it near other inputs like USB ports and volume controls. Some JVC TVs have the power button on the side panel. Check both sides of the TV if you don't find it on the bottom or back. Some JVC TVs have a single button that serves as both power and input select. Pressing it repeatedly will cycle through options. Look for physical buttons, not touch-sensitive controls. Power buttons come in different styles: raised buttons that stick out, recessed buttons that are indented, or small joysticks. Feel for these physical buttons on your TV. Once you've located the power button, simply press it to turn the TV on. If your TV has a combined power and input button, a single press turns it on, and subsequent presses cycle through available inputs like HDMI-1, HDMI-2, and more. For volume control or menu navigation, look for additional buttons near the power button, such as volume up and down or channel up and down. Use these buttons to navigate the TV's menu and select different options, moving up and down through the available choices. For more advanced features, a replacement remote or universal remote is highly recommended. These are widely available online and in stores, offering easy control over all TV functions.